On Sunday morning, November 17th, I've captured some amazing shots of a kayaker riding waves on the James River. Check it out. So I had a chance to record you while you're out there on that island practicing. How was it?
Pretty good.
On this clip, I use Hyperlapse to depict the path I take to get to the top of the flood wall. Notice how sketchy this place is. Also, let me know if you like the Hyperlapse. On the way out, I look to the right and see 3 buzzards. Make that 4. Then I jump across. When I arrived at the top of the James River flood wall in Richmond, Virginia, I planned to fly my DJI Spark drone about 100 feet high and film the city skyline and the rapids below the city fall line. While setting up to fly, I noticed a movement on the remote island, a lone kayaker sitting on the rock, preparing to jump into the river. Now I face a deciding moment. Do I film it as planned, or do I capture the lone kayaker? I decided to use my phone with the stabilizer and my drone, who I named Dura-Spark, to film the kayaker. This clip was filmed by the kayaker Emiy Wade's GoPro from the island shore. Later in the video, you will see when I catch up with her and tell her that I captured her practice session from the air. record you while you're out there on that island practicing. How was it?
Pretty good. Just dropping on the waves, and then today I was trying to kind of work on some spins and luck. So a lot of effort, but we come off the waves and go back up.
No, it was unbelievable. The following pictures and video shows us walking to the next location, Belle Isle Variation Rapids in Richmond, Virginia. So here's the GoPro. It looks like it's had a lot of use, guys. Look at his face. Oh, man. How many hours do you think you got on that thing?
A lot.
Off we go into variation run, rock.
Variation wave.
Variation wave. Nice. I like it. So how many years have you been really going at it now?
This is the second year.
Second year?
Right here. That's $1 million wave.
The $1 million wave.
Yeah, when you catch it, it feels like $1 million. And also looks kind of fun.
Getting close to your spot?
Yeah. So first break is up here.
Okay.
This is also one of my all-time favorite waves, but way higher water, it's washed out. So see the second set of trees? Right there. So can you see the wave white caps?
Yeah, from here I can see it, yeah.
Yeah, so where I'm going to be, there's like a wall.
I wanted to know why and when she got into kayaking and what drives her to jump into the cold, raging river water. Here's what she has to say. Now, how did you get into kayaking? That's always a good story.
My ex-boyfriend actually got me into it. He studied abroad in the summers and he was away, and one summer I just said, well, hey, I want to learn this. So when he came back, like, he kind of taught me from there, and then we both went to grad school, and I quit for a while and just didn't have time. And then about 2 years ago, I for some reason got back in the boat, and then ever since I've been hooked. I got back into like play boating though, so it's addicting.
Well,
There's so many different possibilities of things to
gosh.
do. So yeah.
Yeah, and once it gets a hold of you, it kind of doesn't let go, right?
Yeah.
So how many years have you been really going at it now?
This is the second year.
Second year?